All right, so I've just finished maybe rebuilding the Enrich My Table tool. So let's give it a quick test. All right, so the difference you'll see now is it gives you a little bit of warning about how many records you can search, some recommendations on the header, and additionally, it will actually force the issue on you. So let's test this out. We're actually going to use some existing LinkedIn data, but we're going to run it again. And I'm just going to plop in a bunch of headers and stuff in here and then click process table. And the process table will actually look through your headers and figure out what's likely to be like first name, last name, title, etc. Right? And so then it lists it here, right? And if you see something in here that's incorrect, that you don't want it to search on, just click the X and it will get rid of it. Something to note, if you see multiple titles, multiple companies, that's okay. You can leave that. What it will do is search for first name, last name, this title, or this title, or this title, first name, last name, company, or this company. And whichever has the highest probability of being the correct person from your inputs in the search result, it will return that back. All right, let's give it a run. So this is running. It's just running on a few people, so it should be pretty fast. Although I have slowed this down significantly, so if you're running this on hundreds, then it will take some time. Now here we have, would you like to add these informations to the search result? Each option adds approximately 1 second per record to download. So we have basics, contacts, employment, education, languages. So you can, if you don't want languages, just cut that out and then run additional. And it's going to cycle through those and get the additional information out of the profile for you and return it back. All right. That looks good. This first information is all stuff that we kind of put in there ourselves. So I'm going to get rid of all that, right? But you might want to keep it. But in any case, this is the newer stuff that came through. This stuff you're probably familiar with from the other versions. But anyway, yeah, then just click download conversion. There's some debugging I need to do on this. I probably won't have it ready for release for a few more days, but yeah, should be a better experience for everyone, including myself.